If you have ever looked at a tin of tuna and wondered what else you could make with it, this recipe might become your new favorite. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. Here I have 104 grams of tuna. We'll keep this aside for now. Next, place a kadai on medium flame, heat some oil in it, add 1 chopped onion, we will saute until the onion turns translucent. Now we will add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 green chili finely chopped. Saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Then add less than 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, less than half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the tuna. Add half tablespoon of vinegar. Add salt as per your taste and mix. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Turn off the flame. Now I'm adding some coriander leaves washed and chopped. We'll mix this well. Once this mixture cools down completely, add 1 boiled potato mashed. As the ingredients come together, you can already see how simple homemade cooking doesn't have to be complicated. Mix it well. It's often the recipes made with care and everyday ingredients that become family favorites and get requested again and again. Add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and mix. You can taste this mixture and add more spices if required. Take portions of the mixture in your hand and shape into croquettes. Ensure that they are smooth without any cracks. One thing I love about this recipe is how versatile it is. These tuna croquettes can be served as a tea time snack, packed into a lunch box, offered to guests, or enjoyed as a quick evening treat. They are suitable for so many occasions and always seem to be appreciated. I made 17 croquettes with this recipe. In a bowl, add 1 egg, a pinch of salt, and beat well. In another bowl, add some breadcrumbs, semolina, a pinch of turmeric powder, and a pinch of chili powder. Mix it well. Now dip the croquettes into the beaten egg and then coat with the semolina and breadcrumb mixture. As these croquettes are prepared for frying, they are already looking tempting. Heat oil in a kadai and deep fry the croquettes. Fry the croquettes in batches, do not overcrowd the pan. The secret to a good croquette is balance. You want a filling that's soft, flavorful, and well seasoned, while the outside should fry up beautifully golden and crisp. When those two textures come together, every bite becomes something special. Watching croquettes turn golden in the oil is always satisfying. Slowly, they develop that beautiful color and crisp texture that signals they are almost ready to be enjoyed. The aroma filling the kitchen at this stage is hard to resist. It's the kind of smell that instantly makes people hungry and encourages everyone to gather around the table. Now that the tuna croquettes are ready, just look at that beautiful golden color. Crispy, inviting, and packed with flavor. They are ready to be served and enjoyed. Thank you for spending time with me in the kitchen today. I hope this tuna croquettes recipe inspires you to create something delicious for your loved ones. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, hype, share, and subscribe for more homemade recipes. And tell me in the comments, would you enjoy this with tea, coffee, or your favorite dipping sauce? See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.